Today I'm going to show you how to change the skin color of your Bitmoji on Snapchat. This is a simple and fun way to customize your avatar and make it look more like you. So, let's get started. First, open up your Snapchat app and tap on your profile icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, look for the settings icon in the upper right corner. It looks like a little gear. Tap on that to open your settings. Now, scroll down until you see the Bitmoji option and tap on it. Here, you'll want to select Edit My Bitmoji to enter the Bitmoji customization menu. Once you're in the editor, swipe through the options until you find the one for skin tone. You'll see a bunch of different skin tones to choose from. Pick the one that best matches you, or the look you're going for. When you're happy with your choice, tap Save to apply the changes. And just like that, your Bitmoji will now reflect the new skin color. Don't forget to hit that like button, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips.